Top 5 Best Steel Racks 2025.
Number 5.
Steel racks in 2025. The smart storage revolution for modern homes. If you're looking for durability, elegance, and high-capacity storage in one product, the Steel Rack 2025 edition is the perfect upgrade for your home, kitchen, garage, or office. Built with premium-grade stainless steel, today's steel racks are not just storage solutions. They're essential tools for smart space
Number 4.
management in the modern era. These multi-purpose racks are rust-resistant, load-bearing, and stylish, making them ideal for both functional and aesthetic use. Whether you need vertical storage in your pantry, open shelving in the living room, or heavy-duty racks for your warehouse, Steel Racks in 2025 deliver strength and style in every design. Brick key features. Checkmark heavy-duty
Number 3.
construction. Built from high-quality stainless or carbon steel for long-lasting performance. Checkmark rust and corrosion resistant. Perfect for humid kitchens, bathrooms, or basements. Checkmark adjustable shelves. Customized heights for various item sizes. Checkmark easy to assemble. No tools or special skills required. Checkmark minimalist design. Fits modern, industrial,
Number 2.
or rustic decor. House use cases. Canned food kitchen. Organize utensils, spice jars, dinnerware, or dry ingredients. Lotion bottle bathroom. Store toiletries, towels, or cleaning supplies. Nut and bolt garage/workshop. Hold tools, paint cans, or hardware. Books office/study. Stack books, files, and electronics.
Number 1.
Convenience store. Retail/business. Display merchandise in shops or cafes. Recycling symbol. Why choose steel over wood or plastic? Stronger load capacity. Longer lifespan. Easier to clean and maintain. Sleek and professional look. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Shopping cart available styles in 2025.